Can you use a gift for down payment to buy a new home? Today, I invited Denise Jones. She's a mortgage loan officer here at Alliance Home Loan Center, and she's amazing, and I asked her to just come and share about gifts and if they can be used when you're buying a home.
Thank you, Tracy. Yes, absolutely. Gifts can be used for your down payment and closing costs. In a lot of cases, it's a very easy way for you to get into the home in a timely manner. The process of that, the donor needs to be a relative, your employer, or it can come from a gift program. The requirements for that is a gift letter from the donor, stating that it is a gift and it's not a loan. And then there's a supporting documentation that they will provide through a check, a copy of the check on the gift, and possibly in some cases we would require the proof of the funds in their account. But it's a very good way to get into the loan, and if you're a little short on funds to close.
Excellent. Thank you so much for sharing, Denise. That's great information. My name is Tracy Weatherly, and I am the Vice President of the Home Loan Center, and we would love to connect with you. Click on the link below or go to our website. Find the Connect with Us tab. You know, there's a lot of different ways you can connect, so choose whatever works best for you, and let's get you a free consultation with one of our mortgage loan officers, and they can walk through this process with you. Thanks for watching and have a great day.